This is a handheld controller used for a message board system for road construction crews. We have a full and complete test for this keypad. Vermac is the maker of the message board, and we also repair the board for the system. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries. To find all of ERD's repair capabilities, go to our website, www.industrialrepairstore.com, or give us a call at 1-336-992-3611. We are here for all your industrial electronic repair needs.